October was another month of traveling.
I kinda love this right now. I really feel I am flying, releasing my trouble.
Trying to catch the last sunlight before the winter hits.
And although you're so far, I really feel we're entwined. We'll wait till it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far.
I took my weekends off to drive to the German Eifel region, where I visited beautiful castles and dramatic landscapes.
Been through a lifetime, here we are now. Oh, we made it this far. You'll do what you need, I'll sing me a song. We'll meet when we meet, touch base and walk on. I'm kinda choked up right now, I really feel you can hear me, and get this wherever you are. As you breathe in the space, as I breathe in the city, we'll know when it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far.
I took the ferry to the island of Texel.
Looking at each other and knowing how we've been through a lifetime, here we are now. Oh, we made it this far.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I use drones to capture and sell Microstock footage online. In this video I like to show you my October 2024 Microstock earnings. It was another record-breaking month for me. I made $4,152.74. I'm going to show you how much I made per agency, what sells best, so hopefully you can learn something from it as well. So what I like to do is I like to compare my earnings to October from last year. So in 2022 I made $1,600. The year after that, October 2023, I made $2,500. Which is an $880 increase, and this year $4,152. This is a $1,600 increase, 1.66 times more than October the year before. And on the right here I have all the agencies ranked from lowest to highest earning. So I had a record on Getty Istock, Pond5 and Shutterstock. First I like to start with the lowest earning agencies and then work my way up to the highest earning agency. 11 till 13 is Dissolve, Depositphotos and Dreamstime. I only made $10.28. Dissolve I didn't make anything at all. Dreamstime I sold for $2.80. Here you can see the files that I sold. Now I sold some renderings of a go-kart, 35 cents each. And this is an industrial site in Terneuzen, also 35 cents, an aerial photo. And here we see the container terminal in Rotterdam, also for 35 cents. Now on Depositphotos I had many sales, only photos they accept, most of them about 25 cents. And here you see some of ones I sold. So this is a wastewater treatment plant, data center, also a data center and a container terminal in Antwerpen, for a total of almost $7.50. Now moving on to number 10, we see Wirestock. I made $11.42. Upload to Wirestock and they upload it to other agencies. They also do the keywording, and so far I made $277 from them. Now I also pay them monthly to do the keywording for me. I paid them $125 so far, so it's still a profitable venture for me. Now here you see the earnings per month. Before I had like images, only 900 online, and then I made almost nothing. Recently I started uploading videos as well, and then we see the earnings pick up. Now most of it comes from Adobe Stock, $165. Shutterstock was before was not checked. I checked it like 1 month ago, so hopefully Shutterstock will start to show up in the results as well. In the future, I hope, I think it will, become more, as we're gonna upload more media files to Wirestock. So yeah, $6.50 more when I only had images online. Number 9 is Alamy. I made $25 almost. I sold 3 photos. This is a conference center in Hamburg. For $12, this is an electric vehicle charging point for 28 cents. And this is a circuit of Zandvoort here in the Netherlands for $20. Now I get a 40% commission of that. It's about $43 less than last year. Portfolio only images is 9,000 plus. Now they also added some cool features I saw. So click-through rate. Here you can see that people watch your files for 7,500 times and they clicked on it for 32 times. So that has a click-through rate of 0.42%. Also they had like search terms where you can see where people are searching for. So might be interesting to have a look at. Number 8 is 123RF. I made $31.58. That is almost $12 more than my earnings October last year. Almost all the earnings came from October 4th. Then I sold these files, wind turbines, for $10.06. And this is an historic fortification in the Netherlands, also $6. So that made me almost $24. So almost everything that I earned there. Now I have a portfolio size of 5,000 videos and more than 7,000 images. And yeah, usually 123RF is quite a low earner. These months are pretty high for 123RF. As you see here, the previous years in different colors. This really stands out these months. So yeah, $11.58 more than last year. And a total earnings so far on 123RF of $500 in years. Now number 7 is Video Hive Envato. This is usually a medium earner. I sold 2 video files. This is the city of Hamburg, the city center, the skyline. This is a tractor working the land. Now they both sold for $40 and they take a deduction of $22. That leaves me $18 per video file. And that's about $18 more than the earnings October last year. Yeah, I have 6,000 plus video files online. So number 6 is Blackbox. Now last year I didn't upload anything. I wasn't uploading yet. And now I have $186 in earnings with only a small portfolio size of 623 video files online. I sold many video files. Blackbox also works a bit different. They upload it to all the channels. You have to do the keywording and the title. You can also collaborate with someone, but then they take a percentage. I do everything myself. And yeah, the earnings are already pretty good. With such a small amount of files, I already make almost $200 a month. Now what I sold, this is the Krammersluizen in Zeeland with wind turbines. This is a waste incineration plant in Germany, bridge in Nijmegen, data center, waste treatment plant, wastewater and solar panels. And here we have an industrial zone, the rear area, and a power plant, and shipping over the river there. And some other files as well. So let's move on to number 5, Getty Images iStock. Another best month ever, never made so much. I made this month $316. It's $265 more than last year when I only had images. Now Stock Submitter, the program that I use to upload to all the agencies, they added Getty Images iStock, so I was able to upload my whole video portfolio with a click of a button. So then, now I start to see these earnings come in. And what I sold, many different files. This is just a couple of them. We see some city skylines. Here is Dortmund, the TV tower. This is Düsseldorf, Utrecht. Some cities, some industrial sites, some transportation, shipping, data centers, and here an FPV video as well. Best month ever, new record, and there will be more better months to follow, I presume, as I will continue to upload. Now number 4 is Pond 5, also a new record. I made $456, $27 more than October last year, which was also a good month. I sold images and video files, but most of the earnings came from the video files. This is the Port of Amsterdam. This is a stadium in Utrecht. This is a wildlife crossing, a container terminal in Rotterdam, a data center, and the skyline central station of Amsterdam at night. Now I have a large portfolio. I have almost 20,000 media files online, of which 13,000 are videos, and the rest is illustration and photos. Largest portfolio I have. So yeah, let's move to number 3. Number 3 is Storyblocks. This is usually in the top 3 for me. Pretty decent earnings, almost $400 and constant. This month I made $469, which is $35 more than last year. Best sellers you see here, top 20. They always express it in a percentage of your downloads. So the best 3 are this. This is wind turbine and solar panels. This is a mountain range in Italy, the Dolomites. And this is an editorial video of a container terminal in Rotterdam. Now I have almost 8,000 plus video files online, and a lot of them are still pending. They usually take quite some time to review video files, but that's okay. Earnings are pretty decent. And this month, November, they have a bonus. So they added $200 to my normal earnings. Number 2 is Adobe Stock. I have $1,100.40. This is $726 more than October 2023. I had some really good days because I did some bonus assignment. I had to upload photo files, and then I could make $200 on this day, and October 10th also $200. So that's $400 added for this assignment. Portfolio size is 7,457 video files, and the rest is illustration photos. Total of about 15,331 media files. Only commercial, they don't really accept editorial. And on the right I have some video files where I made some money. This is just a couple of them. Here we see a data center, the skyline of The Hague, wind turbine, data center, $50. This is a power plant for $14 this month. Eco Passage, Wildlife Passage, $8.40. Electric vehicle charging, also $8.40. Port of Rotterdam, also $8.40. So number 1 is Shutterstock, where I made almost $1,500, so $470 more than October last year. Also new record. These are my top 5 performers. I made almost $500 for this wind turbine. The data center, where I made almost $400. Container terminal, $321. An aerial hyperlapse of the financial district in Amsterdam, $340. And iconic bridge in Rotterdam. almost $300. So my lifetime earnings are $26,000 since 2018, and $10,000 were in this year. So almost half of it I made in this year. So that shows the progress I'm making. Now I have images and videos. I'm on level 4, so that means 30% royalty rate. And I don't think I will be going this year to level 5, because I need 500 downloads more on images, and I have now 2000, and you need 2500, and it's already December, so it's probably gonna be level 4 for this year. So yeah, that were all my earnings. I made $4,000 plus. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I would like to thank you for watching, and always let me know if you have questions or what you like to see. Let me know. I will see what I can do. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thank you, and bye bye.